buddy. Hey, buddy. I know. Do the thing. Do the thing. Woo, okay. Alrighty then. Welcome back to Underdog Moto Mania. What are we gonna get into? Let's just say I want to get high, so high. I want to get high, so high. Referring to the front wheel. Yes. Gotta do some wheelies. Fuck it. Let's see how it goes. Anti-lock brakes off. Fuck anti-lock brakes. Fuck anti-lock brakes. Forget about anti-lock brakes. We're out here to have fun. Anti-lock brakes. Always. Woo! Hi. Yep. I feel like we went back the other way. It goes down and then back up. Yeah, we're gonna get it one of these days. Woo! Hell yeah! Ah. Woo. Smelling right down here with the chattel. Fucking cattle down here, yeah. Okay. Brakes feel strong enough. Crane my fucking head around. Try not to die, right? Ah, fuck. Back brake. Back brake down. Woo! Let's get myself in a suitably torquey gear. Started it up the hill, kept it up, woo, down the hill. Oh man. So we're out here. We out here. Oh, you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania. Oh God, hopefully the best is yet to come. Come along for the ride. If you're in the Rochester or Byron Virgin area, maybe hit me up. Might be able to go riding. Ha! Got a weird schedule, but can always make something work. All right. Yeah. Welcome to Virgin Farmland, USA. Ah, man, we out here. We are out here. Oh man, he wanted a wheelie. You can almost get air off that. Oh, I saw that glint and I was like, oh no. Woo! Trying to hold it. Oh, I probably got my one thing that happened. Maybe, maybe the title of the video is He Wanted a Wheelie, Adventures in Underdog. Underdog's Adventures. Woo! Bueno. Why my second gear is getting better is I kind of learned in my wheelie spot, like I was trying to pick it up slower, like where I was slightly out the torque curve trying to pick it up slower, where I'd have more opportunity to speed up to keep the wheel up. But I found you got much more control when you're kind of in that steady torque curve, where if you just let the bike pull and it's like steady, it's not lugging at all, it's got a good smooth pull, maybe lower RPMs, but it's smooth on the throttle, and you got that smooth steady speed when you pick it up, and it should be obvious. You just got more control over it, you're at a good speed, and it's easier to balance when it's smooth. Jeez, telling you things that are obvious, but sometimes when you're in the middle of doing shit, it ain't always so fucking obvious. Ah, boy. Right there. Woo! Chef's kiss. Taking off, turning around, clap. Still looking at me. Okay. 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 Okay, so buddy. Hey, buddy. I know. Do the thing. Do the thing. Woo, okay. That was a little bit of what I want to do. Woo. Okay. Woo. Yeah. So instead of like really cutting the gas and stuff. Okay, if I'm in the middle, I'm gonna go. Okay, that way. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. Like, instead of cutting the throttle, I want to kind of climb a little bit, maybe lean forward. Straight. Nice. Felt just a little tippy. Felt good though. Felt good. It did. Can I wheelie first gear? Oh, I kinda can. Using kind of the trick from second gear. Okay. Okay. Using kind of the second gear trick, I can kind of wheelie first. So, I mean, that's progress. I've never been able to wheelie first like that, so that's just feeling that smooth torque rate and picking it up easy. Whew. Bad pickup. Bad pickup. Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Woo, okay. Yeah. I think one more pass there and back. I think I probably got some decent footage. Oh, bad pop. Should have quit while I was ahead, huh? Okay, so let's try to get that smooth now. Okay, well, right there. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay, right here. Woo, okay. Ah, perfect one to stop on, man. Oh, yeah. Perfect one to stop on. Oh, man. Thing is about this, you got to kind of commit to it. Woo, there it is. Okay. Woo-wee. Ah, yeah. Unlike usual, man. Unlike usual. Unlike usual, I was going to say that's some real progress. That's some real progress. I want to work on in second gear that as I'm getting the front wheel up, instead of being so quick to cut the throttle, I just want to give climbing up the bars a little bit. Not really pull myself up, just like leaning forward a little bit. Just to get a little bit of that comfort level as the wheel's getting higher. Just trying to get used to it and trying to figure out where I want my body position to be. Anyway, some real progress, man. I love this bike. Look at this beautiful fucking bike. Oh, yeah. Anyway, guys, how do you like, comment, subscribe to my channel? Follow me for more. Some more chicanery. Hey, the guy wants a wheelie. I gave him a freaking wheelie. Hey, follow me, guys. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. Until next time, guys. Stop. Drop. Set them down. Open up shop. Hover. Manual. And forward. Meow. Maybe I want to catch it facing this way because of the sun. Landing in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Always catch it from behind. It likes it that way. Yeah. Subscribe, guys. Fuck it. Whoa. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? My bike literally just stalled out of the blue.